In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a high-low circle skirt pattern with very easy steps. If this is something you'd love to watch, you can give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my pattern drafting paper. You can get your fabric if you want to draft direct on the fabric. So I'm going to fold at the center. As you can see, I'm making my first fold. Then I'll make a second fold, as you can see me do. Then after making these two folds, you have to, so at this point and down here down, you're going to have 4 parts, as you can see. Then here you're going to have an enclosed part. Then I'm going to form a circle. So to form a circle, I'm just going to start rotating my measuring tape using the length of this side. So just mark your measuring tape and form a circle. So this is very easy, guys. Just rotate your tape as I'm doing. And if you want your skirt to be very long, you have to use a bigger fabric. This was just a pattern drafting tutorial for demonstrations, and they used a smaller fabric. So you have to use a bigger fabric. So I'm just going to keep rotating my tape and form a circle. So I'm just going to show you how the circle will be formed. Just keep watching and see the beautiful transformation or the beautiful magic. Then next I'm going to connect the points, as you can see me do. Then after connecting the points, I'm going to get my pair of scissors and cut this out. So I'm just going to cut it out, and we're going to have our beautiful circle. So guys, if you find this video useful, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So now I have just cut out, and I'm going to open it up, and this is the beautiful circle that I have. So the next thing I'm going to do is, now let's make our high-low effect. So that's the beautiful circle. So to make the high-low effect, you're going to make a fold here. Then from the center, you're going to find the midpoint, which is somewhere here. Then drop it down, as you can see me do. Then right here, I'm going to mark my waist radius. So I'm going to get my waist circumference, divide by 6.28. Then whatever I'll find, I'm going to add 5 inches or 10 inches. So this extra 5 inches or 10 inches is for the gathers. Your waist is going to appear bigger, but once you gather it, it's going to give the beautiful gather effect. So if you don't want the gather effect, you can just skip the part of adding extra inches to your waistline. But if you want the beautiful gathered like effects, you can go ahead. So we'll have our waist circumference divided by 2.8 plus 5 inches. Or if you want to go a bit extra, you can add 10 or even 20 inches more, and then give it a gather effect. So whatever you find there, you're going to mark it here with the measuring tape and radius right here. So remember, this is just a pattern drafting demonstration, but for your fabric you have to use a bigger fabric. Then I'm going to connect the points and cut this out. So once we open, you have our beautiful high-low effect. So this is the waist, then the bottom is the back for the high, and this is the high-low skirt effect. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more pattern drafting tutorial.